Hi everyone, this is David from Global Property Inspections, here to talk with you about something simple you can do to make life easier for any service technicians you may have come out to look at your furnace, air conditioning units, and electrical panels. This might seem like a small detail, but making sure service technicians have enough space to work will make any service request or scheduled maintenance go that much more smoothly. And some companies won't work on your appliances until the space around them is cleared for liability reasons. For your electrical panel, picture the volume of a standard refrigerator in front of your panel. That's how much room your technician needs to work. To put it in numbers, the distance from the wall should be 36 inches, and the width should be 30 inches or the width of the panel, whichever is bigger. You should allow 6.5 feet of clearance vertically. Your furnace manufacturer will likely have directions for how much clearance to leave around the unit, but in general, you should leave at least 30 inches around it, for a couple reasons. First, so your technician will have easy access to perform any maintenance that's needed, and second, so the unit can be easily loaded out and replaced with a new one when the time comes. Leaving space around the unit can also help with airflow and ventilation issues with older furnaces. Airflow is also important when it comes to your exterior AC unit. You'll want to have at least 12 inches of clearance on each side, though some units call for as much as 24 inches. Check your specific manufacturer's directions on that. Vertically, you want to give the unit at least 60 inches for it to operate most efficiently. Again, I'm David with Global Property Inspections. Thanks again for watching. Remember, if you have a property in need of inspection services, get in touch with us. We give you the valuable information you need to plan for essential maintenance tasks around the house. See you next time.